I got my plants in the mail from Shop Pigment. No, but I'm so crazy right now, but I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these plants to ship for almost a month now. The store was really behind. All those online orders, like, ooh girl, but I'm glad they're able to ship it to me, and I'm just like, and now I can add to my plant collection. But you know, they're cute or whatever. I mean, I'm excited. I bought 2 plants and 2 pots for them. I'm trying to remember what I got, and I'm like, I know what I got. Let's check it out. Go. Okay. Look at these. Are these? What are these? These are so cute. Honey, I'm home. It's not gonna. I hate when this never focuses. How cute is this? Honey, I'm home. After being in a box for several days, plant needs fresh air. Like legit. They sent from North Park, which is like literally a few towns away, so this only shipped within a day. But it's cute how they ship these like little cards with them, but like how cute is that? Like that can be some artwork to post artwork to hang or something. How cute. I'm loving these. Honestly, I don't remember what these things are called, but we'll find out. Okay, so these in here are the pots and these are the plants. So this one is the Pothos. This one is the Dracaena. I don't know how to say these things. Solid packing. My little pots in here. Okay. Check it out. I don't know the actual names and stuff. Don't judge me. I feel like dirt is gonna come right out. Whoa. Guys, it's messy. The roots are like way out. Okay, let me just show you really quick. Look. I honestly wonder how long they've been waiting to be shipped out. But the roots are like, scared to take it out because the dirt's gonna fall everywhere. Yeah. But like, that's insane. These are roots, right? Am I tripping? I've never done or ordered plants before, so I don't know how this really works. But like, when you go to like Lowe's and stuff, like it doesn't look like this. Is this roots? Guys, I'm assuming it is, but I mean, let's see, nothing's broken. This is so interesting to me. Like, I'm tripping. I'm like tripping right now. I'm like, I've never seen this. I'm like, is this like, you know when you put in like Easter baskets? I don't know, gift baskets, and you put that like grass material in. I'm like, is that it or are these roots? Like, I'm legit confused. Anyway. It out. Let's look at the second one. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous about this one. This is the dragon tree. Okay. You know what? I think these aren't. I think these are not roots. I think because it's in this one too. So I think it's kind of like confetti, like to keep it. Yeah. So oh, okay. I was tripping, y'all. Okay. So these aren't fruits. They're not roots. They're like the confetti thing to keep to keep the soil in place. Okay, I was tripping. I was like, there's no way these, see how much I know about plants, like clearly. Don't judge me, I'm learning, leave me alone. But this, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Look at them stripes, girl, look. Oh my gosh. I got new plants. Oh shit, I'm about to drop everything. I'm done with myself. Look. Okay. I literally just dropped a chunk of dirt onto the carpet, whatever. I'll vacuum that up. But look how beautiful and gorgeous these are. I'm literally living right now. I cannot wait. Dry my tears. Let's look at these pots. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Look at these pots. Remember to cut away from you. I'm just gonna. Like I got these pots so that I can like just place them inside, obviously, only for decorative purposes. Okay, this other one is tiny as heck. Okay, so when I purchased these pots, okay, there's one. I did like a discount to get like a free pot. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit the plant. So I have to go get some more pots. Why am I being dangerous? I'm literally like, I have a table here and I can't seem to just like put it down. Under pressure. Oh, but it's so cute. It's not gonna fit these plants. One of them is gonna be able to fit in the pot, but these are the pots. Like this one's so cute. I think this is like the Tulum glazed pot, and this one's like the Jenner pot. But they don't have any holes at the bottom, so that's totally fine, because with new plants, you want to keep them in the grow pot, the plastic container that it comes with, and you just want to just put it in there, because from what I've learned from other YouTube videos, when you bring a plant home, you do not need to transfer them into another pot. Just leave them in the grow pot until like the roots are like, what do they say? Till the roots are established. That's the word. But I don't know what I'm gonna put in this thing. All my plants are like the 6 inches. This is supposed to be the 4-inch pot that the other one's supposed to go inside. Like, I'm dead. They lied. Or they sent me the wrong thing. They lied. Hold up. But it's okay. I don't care. Just kidding. They didn't lie. I don't know. I'm just talking crazy, guys. But and just, you know, plop it right in. Oh shit, sorry. And then these are the plants. I'm so excited. Box below me, so don't make too much of a mess. Okay, so gosh, my battery's about to die already. Oh my gosh, soil is pretty it's semi-moist. I can like probably have to add more soil in there. I think like some was lost in the shipping. Oh my battery's gonna die. Let me hurry. Oh gosh. Smells really good. There's the dirt in there. Their studio must smell really good. This one's pretty moist too. Like I said, North Park is only like a few towns over, so it didn't have to be shipped for a long period of time, but the soil is looking good. I might have to add a little bit more in this one and we should be good to go. Cuteness. Super excited about my plants. I just wanted to do a quick video unboxing of that, and now I have even more plants in my humble abode. So down below I'll put the links of the exact ones that I purchased. Support your local businesses during this time. Like, you gotta support local businesses. I know it's so easy to just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and like get the same things, but you gotta help out once in a while for your home, city, state. I'm just really excited about my plants.